Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to change the background color on Canva. So let's just create a new design right here. And then let's do for social media. For example, I'll just do an Instagram canvas, which is usually a 1080 by 1080. And then what I can do is just click on the canvas right there. And then you're gonna find a color gradient for the background color over here. So just click on that. And here you can just choose whatever color you like. So let's choose this violet, for example, and it changes it right away. And you can even add custom colors by clicking here and just kind of choosing the color that you want. And you can even add the hex code for it. So let's just make it if I want to make it white, for example, or if I want to make it black. And you can also add a gradient as well. So you could just click on gradient right there and then choose a gradient. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Hope that video was helpful.